Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to link Stripe to Squarespace website in 2024. Of course, connecting Stripe is essential for processing some payments securely with your customers. Whether you're trying to sell some products on your website, maybe also services, also physical products or subscription, it will be very important for you to connect Stripe. So I'll walk you through the integration step by step so you can start accepting payments right away with your Stripe account. So let's get started. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open this browser, basically just go to the URL section, type squarespace.com, hit the enter button. If it's your first time, of course, you'll be taken to this right away. Here, all you need to do is just click on login to log in at your account if you have an account. If you don't, click on get started to create an account. And of course, you can use a Google, Apple, Facebook account if you don't have to go through all the boring steps, or if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account, especially, of course, if you have one of them. So once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the account dashboard right away. And here, of course, where you can find all the sites that you have ready for you to use. If you don't have any sites already, just go here and click on create a sites. I've already made a video about this if you want to go and check it out. I've even shown you how to create a website using AI, especially if you're not good at creating websites. So you can go and follow one of those tutorials in this channel. So for me here, I'll just go and click on a website that say I want to go and link Stripe into it. So for me, as an example, this one, I'll click on it. And as you can see, I'll be taken right away into that site. So once you're logged in into that, of course, you would like to go and open a new tab. Make sure to go to Stripe. So go to Stripe as an example. Stripe.com. You can just type it right away and you'll find yourself here. Here, make sure to click on sign in, of course, if you have your account. If you don't, of course, you would like to go and create a new account. And as simple as that, make sure to sign in into Stripe. So I'll just go here as an example and sign on or sign in into my account without any problem. So let me just go and double check the password and click on sign in. Of course, for me, I have like a two-factor authentication. So, and as you can see, once you're logged in into your account, you'll find yourself in the dashboard. So make sure to set up an account ready to use. As you can see, you'll have to activate your account so you can accept payments on it. As you can see, continue activating payments. For me, I'm not going to do that. But as you can see, for you, just go through those 5 steps. As you can see, you'll have to click on continue activating and you'll have to fill up your informations, all informations that needed from verifying your business, a business type, personal details, business details, public details, add your bank account, add some in extras if you want, and then click on review and finish, and you'll be able to start accepting like payments on Stripe. So just go and close this tab once you finish all of that. Now, once you are here on Squarespace, go to the slice panel example. And if we go as example to this settings option here, we can go to selling and here we can add ways to receive payments, right? So once we click on it, as you can see, we'll find online, Stripe, PayPal, and Square. For Square, it's going to be for US only, so you'll not be able to connect it unless you are from United States and you have a United States Square account. You're selling just on Square, on like United States, but if you're outside of United States, as you can see, you can connect to Stripe and also PayPal. So you can connect Stripe to let customer pays with all major credit cards and Apple Pay and Afterpay and ClearPay. And for PayPal, as you can see, you can connect PayPal Business to let customers pay with the PayPal or a Venmo account. So if you want to connect a Stripe account, just go and click on Connect and here on Stripe. And as you can see, you'll find this pop out in here. If you already like logged in into your Stripe accounts, you'll not have any problem with this. As you can see, you don't have to connect or to sign in again. It will be already signed in. So as you can see here, you'll have to select the account that you would like to connect to Squarespace. If you have multiple accounts, just go and choose one. If you don't want to choose this account, you can go and create a new one. But for me, I'll just go and let this one and click connect. As you can see in here, so Squarespace partners with Stripe for secure like financial services. So for me, because I still did not set up the payments yet, so I'll have to go through this again. As you can see, your legal name, basically the information that I've told you about to set up your Stripe account to start accepting payments. You'll not be able to go through it and connect like to Squarespace if you didn't do that. So make sure to fill up all those informations from your legal name, email address, date of birth, home address, phone number. Click on continue and add all other necessary informations until you finish this activation. options. So once you do it, you'll find Stripe connected right away. As you can see, for PayPal, you'll not be able to connect it unless you have a better plan, not the free plan. So you'll need to upgrade to a paid account so you can connect to PayPal. For Square, you'll be able to connect it, but you'll not be able to use it, as an example, unless you're from United States, as we mentioned earlier. So, as an example here, you can try to connect, but you'll not be able to. So once your Stripe account is connected, you can start like configuring some payment settings. As an example, you can configure some additional payment settings. For example, you can choose to enable or disable some credit card payment, set up your preferred like currency, and also more. You can take, of course, a few moments to ensure everything is set up the way that you want. Of course, it's very crucial also to test the payments gateway that you have. How to do it? Basically, you can go to the preview and here go to the store that you have if you have any. If you don't, go and set up one or set up just a testing products, an example. So for me, I'll just go and select this products in here, click on add to carts. Once it's added to carts, I'll just go here to cart. So I have to, I'll just go and remove this, click on checkout, and here basically fill up your email, fill up your payments information, and on the review, of course, you'll be able to see if they support Stripe or not. It's very important, of course, to go and check that and test everything is working as intended. And yeah, other than that, as we said, we can go and even add maybe if you want a PayPal with Stripe, as you can see, so people can pay with their PayPal, or even Square if you're living in the United States. So that's gonna be basically it for me today. Of course, you can even go here and edit like the checkout experience, edit like the checkout page, cart page, shop page, everything that you want, so people can come back to your sites always. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.
Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.